G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. As many of you know, we are the original Vitamix dealers in Australia. My dad was first to bring Vitamix to Australia back in 1995, and we've been selling Vitamix for over 25 years now. We are super excited to announce that we are now an official Vitamix affiliate for Vitamix blenders in the USA, Canada, and the UK. So what that means is our fans and followers based in the US, Canada, and the UK can use our links for your future Vitamix purchases. You will find our links to order in the caption below, which will direct you to the Vitamix.com website. By using our links, you will also receive free shipping on all orders over $50 and special discounts on reconditioned Vitamix models. We will receive a small commission for the referral, which will enable us to continue to make awesome Vitamix recipes for our beloved YouTube community. Now, if you're located in Australia and New Zealand and would like to buy a Vitamix, please go to our website, rawblend.com.au, and place your order. Now, wherever you are in the world, you can head to our website for hundreds of free recipes. As a small family business, we greatly appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you many more delicious recipes for the years to come. Happy blending.